Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. In this video I have for you a new offering for 2015, should I say the last offering of 2015 from Ganzo as far as automatic knives are related. So this review will be about the new model G7362-GR, stands for green, and Ganzo is lately stepping up their game, as I mentioned probably in my few videos. At some point they are offering a nicer box for you, not just the cheap cardboard looking box, but nice black one, smooth, with 3D applied Ganzo logo there, and they also give you a nice dust bag or pouch. So this review will be about their new automatic. As you can saw in my previous videos, I bought the previous two models. So this is very nice that they offer 3 different automatic offerings in 1 year. So this is rather unusual from them. And yes, so this is a stainless steel, full stainless steel construction with nice G10 inlays that are fairly grippy. I would say they try to achieve the cold steel standard of grippiness. Very nice. It will not slide from your hand. And yes, the pocket clip is very nice, has a nice give. Also you have enough room for even thicker jeans. It's a push button automatic with no safeties. Ganzo is not using any safeties on their knives, so the centering is very good, a little bit off, and the action is very snippy, very nice. As all Ganzo knives, this is also made in 414C. Right there. The whole family is called the G736, and there you have different color variants. And let's test the sharpness out of the box. Very nicely sharp. I would say it's almost scary sharp, because I don't feel any resistance. Wow. So extra points there. So this is a nice medium to small, to say, knife. Oops. And I don't feel any grittiness like usually the Ganzo and all other Chinese knives come from. So the quality control is really good. And it's really sharp. There is no blade play up or down, so this is excellent given the price tag. This is a very cheap knife. And you can get them right now. You can get them direct from China or on eBay. Just search the product number. Yes, very nice offering. I'm really looking forward to see more automatic knives from Ganzo next year, probably, I hope. They even apply a nice satin stonewash on the blade, which is very nice from them, given the price point of the knife. So there you have it, a quick review of the Ganzo G7362-GR. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day.